Good morning. Today's Sunday, November 19th. It's out here kind of late morning, so I'm going to see about what I can pull out in the next few hours or so. So stay tuned. Let's see what I can present to you guys today. Oh yeah. Walking the side coming down. Having to look up. Right there. Awesome. It's not bad. I'll get you guys, when I get closer, I'll start filming again. Yeah. Heading that way. Check it out. Let's go check this bad boy out. Nice. Awesome. Standing right there is walking, coming down here on the side, and happen to spot this antler down here. Getting closer to it. Nice. Check that bad boy out. Pretty good size one. Six by. Yeah. Get some pics and I'll get you guys a pickup. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Circle around here. Couldn't match it up though. It's probably still a little further back, so probably check that out. Let's get a pickup for you guys. Nice. Yeah. It's awesome. Pretty big guy. Just check that base out, that gnarly base. Yeah. Awesome. Well, let's see if we can go find some more. Thank you. Excuse the audio, it's kind of windy today. Started walking around, zigzagging up, checking it out. Look right up there. Nice. Let's check that bad boy out. This year's brownie. Nice. Still got this guy in hand. I think that's up this year's too. Another one. Awesome. Get a pic of this and then I'll get you guys a pickup. Oh yeah. Pretty windy today. Excuse the audio. Let's get a pickup. Awesome. Let's go find some more. Thank you. Just walking right here on top, coming down, checking it out. Just gonna walk that way. Look right here, look below me. Yeah. Third one so far. Let's go check it out. It's awesome. Look at that. Yeah. Another right side. Pretty good size one. Man, beautiful sight. Yeah. Still got those guys. Let me get a pickup on this one and I'll get you guys, let me get some picks and I'll get you guys a pickup. Oh yeah. It's awesome. It's number 3 so far. It's getting windy out here. Let's get a pickup. Oh. Woo. Got some weight to it. This year's Browns look like. Nice. It's awesome. Soak it in the sun. Yeah. Pretty nice one. Hopefully I can match some of these up or find some more too on the side. Yeah. Got a little point coming out of that side, out of the 4th. Awesome. Yeah. Well, let's go find some more. Thank you, thank you, thank you. It's coming down the side, zigzag down. Came right in, it's coming right here. That's where I found those ones, right on that top right there. So I'm in this little draw. Spotted another one right here. It's like an older shed. It's number 4 for today so far. It's like an older guy. Busted up. Yeah. It's awesome. I get a pick and I'll get you guys a pickup. Oh yeah. It's awesome. It's number 4 so far. Let's get a pickup for you guys. Oh, chocker. Funky one. It's all crazy. It's awesome. It's number 4 though. Let's go see if we can pull out some more. Oh yeah. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Awesome. Number 5. Yeah. Well, let's go find some more. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh yeah. Not bad today. 5 elk sheds and 1 deer. What's crazy about it, they're all right sides again. Oh yeah. Not bad. It's the first one I picked up. Pretty good size one. Yeah. Not bad, not bad. Check out that base, that gnarly base. Second one I got. Yeah. Big guy. Tried matching them up, but circled and zigzag all the way around these areas where I picked up these sheds, but couldn't match them up. Someone probably already got them, or they're probably a little further back or further down the mountainside. It's not bad. They got some pretty good weight to it. These ones right here, team. Mule deer, a chocker, funky one. Awesome. Thank you guys again for following along. Thank you for checking out my videos. Today is Sunday, November 19th. Yeah. Ended up pulling out 5 antlers today. It's not bad. Probably end up walking here and there. I usually go out to go get firewood. Sometimes I have orders. Sometimes I just go out just to go hike around and look around for firewood. But other than that, I'm either getting firewood or probably end up picking up more elk sheds. So stay tuned. We got a lot more land to cover. A lot more antler to pick up. Thank you guys again. If you haven't followed along, hit that subscribe button. Hit that like button. There'll be a lot more shed videos coming you guys' way. Oh yeah. Thank you guys. Take care and God bless.